Welcome to Quizville, kids! Let's find the fruits and vegetables and play a memory game. Let's start with the fruits. Now choose your apple. So lucky! So funny! Can you spot the silly orange? Look closely. Yay! You found it! He's so cute and funny. Can you find the different watermelon? Where are you, cutie watermelon? Yes, there she is, winking at us. Let's move on to our yummy memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these fruits. Now, where is the strawberry hiding? Do you remember? Nice! It's hiding behind spot number 4. Time for the vegetables! Choose your pumpkin. Can you find the lemon that looks different? Look closely. Yes, there it is! Well done! Can you spot the tomato that's different? Yes, there it is! It's wearing shoes! Time for our memory challenge. Try to remember the order of all these veggies. Now, where's our super carrot hiding? Aha! There you are, so healthy and strong. Great job, little geniuses. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye.